right now, whatever I'm speaking before 8 months back, I'm not a person who's speaking in front of anyone. I fumble a lot. I hesitate a lot. How the babies will sleep as a deep sleep, I'm not able to get the deep sleep. I don't know what is the reason, and is there anything going in my head?
And I am giving you one suggest. This is happened. So Radhika,
Yeah.
we are
I was
meeting for the very
like,
first time. So I like to drive our conversations with little bit introduction, right? Are you
yeah,
comfortable?
sure. Yes. As you say, my name is Radhika. I'm a software developer working for an IT company. Apart from that, I'm running my YouTube channel. Recently, I have started. There, I post my solo videos and as well as the conversational videos with followers. I used to give fluency hacks and as well as the things that I have done throughout my English learning journey. Apart from that, coming to my meantime hobbies, I love watching cooking videos in my regional language and as well as English language. I love listening to podcasts, watching celebrity interviews, all about.
Okay, thank you. It's a lovely introduction. May I tell little bit about me?
Yes, yes, I would like to know about you.
Thank you. First of all, thank you. And again, very good afternoon. As my name is Ruby and I am from Assam. In previous years, I worked in a school where I taught maths from class 6 to 10. But right now, you can take me as a homemaker. I am not involved with any office or any schools. Recently, I have done two courses. I am certified on child psychology, certified on parent course, and right now I am doing diploma course on counseling. That's all I want. Now tell me, I think already you speak well. Why are you here? Or your channel, or you have to improve more uh, to bring you up to the mark?
I don't know whether I'm fluent or not, but thanks for the word that you had for me. Uh, right now, whatever I'm speaking before 8 months back, I'm not a person who's speaking in front of anyone. I fumble a lot. I hesitate a lot to speak with public. But one fine day, I got a project which the clients are from US, so I need to talk to them friendly, and I need to interact with them in English only. So there, I got a chance to improve my English. So I worked upon my English and communication skills within 8 months, and I built this strong fluency, and that's how I'm able to talk to anyone. The thing is, like, I felt somewhere that I come across my beginner stage where I can talk to anyone on anything, but I felt like I'm using only repeated words. I'm not able to come from that boundary that I had, like from the intermediate level. I'm not able to come to advanced level. I'm using the only words, whatever the set of words that I have in my mind, I'm only using that words. I want to improve a little bit. I want to use phrases, idioms in my conversation. So that's how I want to interact with the people, those who are really advanced than me. And the flow, even sometimes my flow will stop in between the conversation. There are fillers in my conversation when I observed while having a conversation in a Skype. I started observing that I use lot many fillers while conversing with the people. So I just want to reduce those like disadvantages, whatever I have in my conversation. I just want to reduce that. I want to learn from the people. I want to share and I want to get the knowledge from the people who are already exceeded their English. Not only English, anything
Yeah,
which I
right.
don't know. Technology, their tradition, about their city. I just want to explore something more. That's why I'm here to interact with the people.
Okay, okay, Radhika. As you told that 1 month back, now in which styles, in which level you are speaking, but 1 month back you were not, right? Just now you have told. Am I
No,
right?
no, 6 months, 8 months back. I
Eight.
started this journey eight
Eight.
months back. Yeah.
Then what have you done to practice this language?
I just started with listening and speaking. I focused only these two aspects. listening for the pronunciation and like gathering the vocabulary and the words, how to frame a sentence just for listening. When it comes to speaking, I took on a day one, when I started, on a day one onwards, I started speaking with myself because I have a inner fear that if I go and speak with anyone, if I go and speak with directly with the client, will he judge me, or else will he going to say something, or else they are going to laugh at me in front of anyone? Because in the meeting there are n number of people are going to join, that two higher authorities. So what I thought is like on a very first month, I just started speaking with myself. When I got a confidence, I just installed. There is a app called Civi, where we
Mhm.
can find a co-learner or speaking partner. So I just made few of them as my friends in that application. First week, I just introduced myself. I only focused on how to introduce ourselves, how to present ourselves to others. If he is a stranger or someone, so I just practiced introduction. Day by day, when I started building the confidence to speak with others, I started conversing on a specific topics, like social media, like mm, government job versus private corporation,
Yes.
like that, and how the things will work in IT, like that. Whatever the questions that I had in my mind, I started asking to the people because when it comes to learning a language, I didn't focus on particular thing. I just asked the question, whatever the question that I had in my mind. If I didn't think about the person who is in front of me, I started keep on asking the questions. When you ask the question, then only you will get the answer. I thought
Yeah.
that if I don't ask any question and I'm putting that question in my mind, until when I open up my mouth, I will never get the answer from the person what I want. So I started asking n number of questions. You will get surprised that for one day I have like for one day one conversation I return a 20 questions because what is
Okay.
English? Why you want to learn English? Is that really important for important? Is there that much of importance that the English have to learn? Because I met ample and and I met a one person. He is really a great personality, I can say. He is a lawyer and he is 70 plus years old and he is learning English for his grandchildren because their grandchildren know only English language. They don't know any other language. So to have a conversation and they want to talk to the grandchildren, they started learning. By seeing him, I decided at any cost, whatever the situations that may I come across my journey, I want to I want to tackle everything because he is done and succeeded in his journey. Why I am not able to do?
Sure,
I
sure.
can able to overcome the fear and I will get the fluency. That day I decided I need to learn and I will learn. Within a 6 months, I started my journey like that. If I didn't meet that person, for sure I'm saying I'm going to give I gave up on this journey. I can say I met that person and that person shared his journey. There I decided strongly I need to work upon my skills. If not today, I am not going to do it any day. So I took action and I started.
Yeah, it's great. Your strategy is great, and your thinking, yeah, it's lovely and really adorable. So, yeah,
But
Radhika, do you? Yeah,
but the only thing is like I'm not able to read the books. When it coming to reading the books, it is a tedious task for me. If I read one page, okay, I it is going to be good. When again I want to open tomorrow and I want to read another page, I'm not able to read the book. I'm not able to complete the book. It's not about the completing the books. I'm not able to grab that reading habit in my daily routine. So
yeah.
if
You can read from internet also. That is also ebook, right? If you want to read
yes,
any story or any fact, any subjects, you can write through internet also. Or I will like to tell here one thing. If you are not willing to read, no, then you can take a deep breath, which is you can take it as a meditation also. Or suppose you are taking the breath for your right nostrils, no, like this. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then hold for up to 8. It means you count like this 1 to 8. Then again you leave leave your breath. Again you do the same things with your left nostril. Okay, DGA, if you do 4 times, it is better, or 8 times, or if you do 4 times no regularly, I think you will able to improve yourself. First things, you have to sit straightly. It is not good to sit on bed. If you sit on floor, then it's okay. It's nice. You if this way you can increase your concentration. Okay, it is better to be, it's best times. I am giving you only two best. There are four best times to take the deep breath, which is, or you can say meditation also, which is the best time for of 24 hours. One is the early morning 5:30, and afternoon, I mean the evening time 5:30, and 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. These four time is particular point in time. I'm telling you, there are a lot of criteria are there. As I have I told you that I am doing the psychology course I have done, and I am doing the counseling course. So this is one kind of subject for us. So this is one. So from that part, I have learned these things. This four time is the best times: 5:30 morning and evening, and 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. This time, four times is very best times for taking a deep breath. You can say this is meditation also. This is helpful if you continue this. No, only if you do one time for a day, then yeah, it's also I think it also will work for you to have the concentrations on reading. Yeah.
Definitely, I will try. I'll try and I'll try to inculcate that meditation as well, because most of the people said to me that if you do the meditation, you will find a peace of mind. You will be
Yes,
able
this
to
is helpful.
yeah, you will be able to do more actively whatever you are doing right now. Your speed will increase to 2x speed. So
Yeah,
I will include.
but I am not
I have
doing.
a
I am
question, ma'am.
okay. 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 Go ahead.
It's my personal thing. What I felt from 2 weeks onwards is that whenever I'm done with my office work and when I hit the bed, I'm not able to get the deep sleep. Uh, like how the babies will sleep as a deep sleep, I'm not able to get the deep sleep. I don't know what is the reason, and is there anything going in my head? I don't know exactly. But from 2 weeks onwards, I'm feeling this thing, and something is running in my mind about my career and the future that I'm going to have. All
Yeah.
the thoughts is like getting all the thoughts, and my mind is got confused, and I'm not getting any deep sleep nowadays.
How long time are you sleeping daily basis?
Actually, usually my bedtime is like 11, but before like 2 weeks onwards, it is 1 like that, 1 a.m.,
When you wake up early in the morning?
6 a.m.
6 p.m. Actually, no, you are very young. If you take sleep 6 hours, then it is comfortable. 7 hours, 8 hours maximum, 6 to 8 hours, it is comfortable for you. And I am giving you one suggest. This is happened with me also. Sometimes we have lot of things, in our mind, so we are not clear with the minds. When you go and bed now, take little bit water. After that, you tap like this. In
Okay,
this way, huh? For you 20 times or like this, not strongly or softly like this, you will get
just
results.
tapping,
This
tapping.
is happening with me. I'm getting results. Still today, I'm doing this. I get
Okay.
results. It gives us comfortable. Like this. No need to take any oil or water. Just like this. You you will get result. Definitely, because I'm getting results. It is my eyebrow. So definitely you will get result.
Yeah.
Okay, Radhika, do you have any question or query to me? Then I'll answer, or otherwise we are the
So,
bound with the time also.
yeah,
So
as
I
of
like
now,
to let you.
I asked whatever the things that I'm running in my mind, and I got
Hmm.
the full answers, and as well as the things that you explained. And ma'am, I want to say one thing: the natural flow that you have whenever you are answering the questions is really nice. How you build that? Could you please give any suggestions? Like natural flow of English while someone is asking something. We need to give natural flow of answers instead of thinking and taking a pause.
First of all, that you have asked me questions, yeah, and those questions answer is in my mind. This is safe in my mind. So I uh, I did not have any hesitations or any thinking part here. So I answers clearly. Sometimes what happens, we have the answers, but because of the communication skill, we are unable to express properly, right? So it means
Yes,
natural flow does not come, right? So if we are practicing all the time, no, then automatically it will happen. Automatically it will. When you woke up early, suppose you are going to bed or you are learning, you are also learning, I am also learning. From early morning to bedtime, what things have you done? In a single spot, you speak in English, what I have done today. You think in English, not in your native language. Then it will help you. Avoid to think in your language and avoid convert it to your language to English language. Definitely you will get result.
that means
Okay.
we need to train our brain to think in English to get a
Yeah.
natural flow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Already you can speak. Yeah. You are speaking well, but you need more flow,
yeah.
right? But you whenever you think everything in English.
Okay.
Definitely you will
Got
get results. If you get nowadays ChatGPT is available. If you are not getting word or you think that no, this sentence you may have confused. I am also doing like this. Actually, my best teacher is nowadays ChatGPT. Whenever I
Yes,
feel that no, this may be the grammatical error or yeah, it may be the correct in grammatically, but are there any sent constructions on here that which is I mean the which has more clarity? I ask ChatGPT give options even for one sentence, two, three sentences. You will notice it. If you don't get the words, then ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is there. Nowadays
yeah.
everything is available.
The only problem when I face is like if I come across any different set of question for the first time, then only I can not able to answer. If I can. Mhm.
Yeah, see Radhika, it is happened in our mother tongue also. Anybody asks any questions, I don't know the answer. My in my mind, it is not said. Then also we have a lot of fumble. We have to think. We need time to answer these questions. Not only the it is not the things that I can't. The I am not the fluent speaker in English. That's why I am not availing to answers. In our mother tongues also will be same thing, right?
Yes, sometimes it happens.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
nice meeting you, ma'am.
Same here. Have a good day. Definitely we'll connect later also. It was
Yeah,
very really lovely conversations with you.
thank you.